In this quick video, I am going to tell you the reasons for why you can't add your debit or credit card to your PayPal account. Okay, first thing, if you use your mobile to do this process means go to PayPal website. I will leave the official link in the description, make use of that. PayPal app was very limited, so go to PayPal website. So first check your credit or debit card issuer name because PayPal only accepts Visa, MasterCard, American Express and Discovered cards. So you can't add another payment cards. Second thing, make sure your credit or debit card has been activated for online. I mean for POS or e-commerce payments and also for international payments. You can check this information on your bank website or mobile app. And third, while adding your debit or credit card on PayPal, on billing address tab, you have to enter the credit or debit card address. I mean which address you provided to get the card on bank, like your hometown address or your current living address. Make sure the address will be same on both places. Then only you can able to add your credit or debit cards to your PayPal account. If still these 3 steps doesn't work means just contact PayPal support. You can contact your PayPal support using your mobile. I already made a video about that. Link in the description. Yeah, this is how you can solve your credit or debit card adding issue on PayPal. If you want more tutorial videos about PayPal means watch this playlist.